getting these power steering lines out so I can put the new ones in, and then I noticed something that was a little upsetting, that the tie rod, the inner tie rod on the Mustang is no good. So I've started the process of removing it. It's relatively simple, but I'm going to take it out, and I've already got the new one on order. I've removed the tie rod end, unscrewing it and counting the turns. It was 20 turns exactly to remove that, so I can put it back on and keep it reasonably in alignment. So the inner tie rod end is now loose and ready to be removed. I'm going to use a pipe wrench to twist that old one off. I think there's a rivet in there that's made out of aluminum that should shear off pretty easily. While I'm under here, I'll show you that I've also decided to bling up the underside a little bit. I've painted that sway bar, the stock sway bar, a bright red, as well as the hood prop rod. Just want to customize a little bit, keep the car interesting. I have owned it since 1985, so every little bit helps, but it's all returnable to stock if I want to do that. Pipe trench worked like as a charm. You can see that it's loose now. I'm just going to have to unscrew it the rest of the way to get that worn out piece off the steering rack. Inner tie rod is removed, and I've cleaned up the shaft. It looks pretty good, but here you can see how loose this is. Should be nice and tight, so the new one's on the way. It'll be installed as soon as it gets here.